Hey guys, HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hey, we're out here checking out this brand new build. It was just listed, double RV garage with a pool. Hang out, check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, this is 887 Paso Drive, just listed, brand new build. Great area right down the street to the new Havasu Riviera launch ramp. Has side parking. Looks like the builder trailer is still on the side. They're still wrapping stuff up. Looks like all the landscaping just went in as well. So this one was just listed for 1.142. Let's go on in and check it out. All right, guys, this is a 4-bedroom, 3-bath pool home. Just built, just wrapping up loose ends. 2,474 square feet. Sits on a big 18,000 square foot lot in a great area, like I said, right down the street to the new Havasu Riviera launch ramp. Wide open living area, vaulted ceilings, can lights. This is the Kelco model. If you've followed me on YouTube, you've probably seen a couple of these. They do a real nice house. Has dual skylights in the living area. Nice electric fireplace. Has dual sliders out to the backyard. Real nice kitchen with an island. All stainless appliances. RO drinking water at the sink. All right, we'll start at the back of the house. Have a little wet bar and a door out to the backyard pool area. All 8-foot interior 4-hinge doors. So you have the master at the rear of the house, double slider out to the backyard pool area, vaulted ceilings, can lights. There is carpet in here. So you have a nice big master bath, quartz tops, dual sinks, can lights, all glass, walk-in shower with 2 heads. Looks like they just put the glass on. Tile goes all the way to the ceiling, and then you have your water closet with its own door. You have your walk-in closet, pretty good size. So you have a guest bedroom at the end of the hallway that can be used as like a junior master suite because there is a guest bath at the end of this hallway as well. Nice quartz top counters. Tile all the way to the ceiling. Walk-in shower, glass doors. So you have your guest bedroom number 1. All 4-inch baseboards in the house, trowel down ceiling and walls. All right, so we're at the front of the house. You have your indoor laundry. You have your door to the garage on your right. And then 2 more bedrooms and another guest bath. Quartz tops. Nice tile shower all the way to the ceiling. Okay, guest bedroom number 2, the front of the house. Then you have guest bedroom number 3, kind of at the middle of the house. All right, guys, so you have your garage set up. You have a 2-car side that's 28 feet deep, 18 feet wide at the door, 8-foot door. Both doors are insulated. You also have a 61-foot double-wide RV garage, 20 foot at the door opening, 14-foot door, has full hookups. There's a little bit of space in the back with the air handlers back here, and man door out to the side yard. This is pre-plumbed for 2 mini split ACs. Got a hose bib over here. Let's go see what the pool looks like. All right, so you have the backyard covered patio. It's a nice setup, has can lights, cable, TV stuff, ceiling fans, pre-wired. This one is going to be a nice pool, has 2 baja shelves. Estimated completion date on the pool is the end of December. So you have your side RV boat type parking goes all the way back. Again, this one sits on a huge 18,000 square foot lot, backs to a huge wash. Just offers some privacy between you and your back neighbors. It's windy and cold in Havasu today, and I hate it. So I'm not really sure if they're going to be doing a fence or a wall or what the deal is, or even what the decking is going to be like. Probably going to be travertine or travertine coping with paver decking. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Paso. Again, this one was just listed for $1.142. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video so you guys get all the original listing pictures, current price, availability. Of course, if you guys have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me. All my contact information is right below this video. You guys have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you soon.